was sent the EZPIK Grabber. Kind of looks like something else right there, right? This is how it arrived, so it folds up really nicely. Let's go ahead and open it up and just check out how easy this is to work. Wow, okay, so everything was really easy to unsnap, and then it looks like I just pushed this down to kind of lock that into place, and then do the same one right here. And then this is the little trigger. That's so simple. Doesn't take much to do it. I can do it there with my thumb. I can do it with multiple fingers. And then this will give you quite good reach to it. So I have some, let's see, I have a water bottle sitting in front of me. Easy to lift that up. I like that you can grab things of all different sizes. That one's a little more slippery, so that one was a little more difficult. Here's like a tiny little bottle. You have to really keep this holding down to squeeze it, but if you're just gonna pick something up quickly and then get it to your hand, that's no problem. This is gonna be great because I wanna take this on beach walks and do a little beach cleanup with it. Not that I couldn't just lean down and grab stuff, but always convenient to have one of these. And it's perfect if you have things high on a shelf and you're not tall enough to reach it. This is a great grabber. So I love this. I love how simple it was. Let's put it back to its smaller size so that it's easy to store as well. So everything just folds into itself. And now it takes up barely any space and it's ready to be used. That's awesome.